In this video, Synactive introduces the new GUI-XT log tool designed to optimize workflow by analyzing recorded user actions. Let's first have a look at the underlying concept. The SAP system already offers diverse options for analyzing performance. These tools are essential for identifying processes and steps that require optimization. However, many important aspects of workflow are notoriously difficult to quantify, in particular, real-life user actions. And this is where the UI log tool comes in. Let's begin with an overview of the UI logging process. At the top, we have all SAP users going about their daily business. Below, a subset of users is selected and all user actions are recorded anonymously, for example, all field inputs and function calls. When enough data are available, user actions can be analyzed and evaluated. These analyses assist us in general software process optimization and in particular in the optimization of the user interface. The tool further assists software developers by automatically generating menu and single-screen transaction scripts. How does optimization work? In this example, we eliminate the unwieldy selection process when creating a sales order. The sales organization is preset. The users can choose among 2 distribution channels and 4 order types. After this, an order is created as usual, and the user can concentrate on his or her main task. The UI log tool also provides us with the opportunity to discover new optimization potential. For this, we must record, evaluate, and analyze user actions. We begin by activating the recording function for tabs, input values, and function calls, such as menus, for some users and for selected transactions. Here, recording is activated for transactions VA01 and VA02. When sufficient data have been recorded, the analysis of user times, frequently used input values, and many other parameters can proceed. Good candidates for optimization are transactions or templates with long processing times. For example, recorded input values can be analyzed to create simpler input options and set default values. Flowcharts can be used to visualize and reduce the complexity of transactions. If required, individual transaction flows can be displayed in detail. Our tool can be used not only to optimize workflows and processes, but also to improve the user interface. UI log generates menus and single-screen transactions, which assist in further UI development. For example, through the generation of a quick access menu. Using the UI log tool, the developer selects the relevant transactions and initiates menu generation. A simple initial menu is made available to users from which common transactions and single-screen transactions can be directly accessed. Another feature of the UI log tool is the automatic generation of single-screen transactions. Based on a large number of recorded transaction histories, the tool generates a single-screen transaction using only variable fields. This means that fields that are never used are initially not included and, in many cases, are not relevant for the user. The following example illustrates how transaction VA01 can be recorded and optimized. First, the record function is activated for transaction VA01. Then a simple customer sales order is created, and only a few required fields are filled in. Finally, the single screen transaction is generated for the selected project. Under Options, certain properties of the fields can be adjusted if required. This single screen transaction now contains exactly the fields used during the recording and that are necessary to create a simple sales order. The new UI Log tool helps you customize and optimize the SAP user interface. The tool records and analyzes user actions and allows you to identify the UI functions that are actually used in your company. A great way to get a head start in GUI XT development. Test the UI Log tool in your system and feel free to contact us for further details.